What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're playing the train station. We're not playing the train station, we're playing Sneak Thief again. But this is the next level called the train station. Let's do $75,000. Let's get into it. Alright. Shit, I forgot we have a timer in this game. Where are we supposed to go now? Alright, this is the train station, I think. Fuck, we don't have any weapons, huh? Keycard required. Okay, I found some backpacks. We can take that easily. Oh shit! That scared the fuck out of me, bro. What if I'm just trying to be like a guy while trying to walk around and stuff, you know? And they're over here trying to kill me and stuff. Can we crouch? Yes, we can. Right there. Okay, we're being sneaky. Take the suitcases. Can we get on the trains? No. I'm trying to find out how our fucking dumbasses get in the train station. Should have found the key card. Okay. So let's try and get. Open it, open it, open it. Close this now. Alright, we broke into the house. We gotta grab that, grab this. Oh shit, there's someone right there. Alright, let's go inside, grab the suitcase. Oh, I think that's for the turn, I think. Alright, let's go in here. Take the backpack, the mirror. Why is there stuff in the toilet? What the fuck? Alright. Alright, let's get all these ATMs. I think the turn is off now. So that shit won't kill us again. I mean, it killed me once, but like, yeah, I didn't see that. Let's take, what's here? Take the keyboard, the phone, again, the keyboard, the phone. Keyboard, phone. Alright, I'm not sure what else we could grab. It says something about like stealing travel documents. Alright, let's come over here. What else could we grab? Suitcase. So another suitcase. Suitcase again. There's another backpack here. Is there more stuff? Backpack again. Backpack. Suitcase. Alright, what's the code? What's the code? 7413. 7413. 7413. Don't forget. 7413. 7413. 7413. 7. Wait, how do we do it? There we go. 7 4 1 3. Alright, let's go inside. Open it. Where's the stuff? Oh, right there. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Hold up, I think there's some documents or some backpacks back here again. Look, I'm right behind me. Wait, can I sneak through here? No, he's gonna see me. Let's just go over here. Oh shit, he's gonna see me.
He's slow as fuck! Fuck this nigga! I'm out! Boy! I say! What I say?
Shit, we gotta run away. I'm fucking leaving. Fuck those stuff in the backside. I'm running, bro. Hurry up, hurry up. Oh shit, he's still behind me, bro. Alright, we gotta go quick. Alright, we're almost there, we're almost there. Hopefully he lets us go out because I didn't steal everything inside the thing. Alright, you stole 1,20705. Wait, 1,027 503 minutes and 5.72 seconds. Alright guys, if you want to see more of Sneak Thief, hit that like button and subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys. Bye.